Activating your Wise card is a straightforward process that requires a few simple steps. To begin, make sure you have received your Wise card in the mail and have access to the Wise website or mobile app. First, download and install the Wise mobile app on your device if you have not already done so. The app is available for both iOS and Android devices. Once the app is installed, open it and log in to your Wise account using your email address and password. Next, navigate to the card section of the app, where you will see an option to activate your card. Click on this option and follow the prompts to enter the card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. After entering the card details, you will be asked to create a PIN for your card. Choose a PIN that is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. You will need to enter the PIN twice to confirm it. Once you have created a PIN, your card will be activated and ready to use. You can verify that your card is active by checking the card status in the app. It is also a good idea to set up additional security features, such as two-factor authentication, to protect your account and card from unauthorized access. To do this, go to the Settings section of the app and follow the instructions to enable two-factor authentication. Finally, make sure to review and understand the terms and conditions of your Wise card, including any applicable fees and limits. You can find this information in the app or on the Wise website. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily activate your Wise card and start using it to make purchases and manage your finances. Remember to always keep your card and account information secure to prevent unauthorized access and protect your financial information.